to what you're saying. I like the self-correction. Self-correction has come to you, which means
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you're improving by yourself. You're becoming aware of what you're saying.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank
There
you.
is change and there's enthusiasm, there's engagement in the conversation. There are less mistakes. Very good, Shahid. Keep it. Hi, Shahid. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Hi.
Hi. This is your, I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
we've had a session before, right?
Yes, ma'am, sir. Yes, we had it.
Okay. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good as well. I'm good as well. So, have you gone through our session document for today?
Yes, I have. I went there. Yes, I went. I have seen that topic about. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. It's about environment and climate change, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware about what environment and climate change means? Have you heard this term before?
No, I haven't heard it before, but yeah, little bit. I think I know about. But if you elaborate, so that it will help to me.
So, Shahid, this is the most talked about topic, one of the most talked about topic from uh, for almost a decade now.
Mm-hmm.
What is climate change? Why is it important? Why do we need to tell people that,
Mm-hmm.
having a particular, having particular amount of carbon footprint? Okay, let's not go there. Let's not go to the science part. Climate change, climate change is happening right now. And it
Yes.
has happened since industrialization took place, use
Yes.
of heavy machinery, industries, and that led to pollution, that led
Yes.
to altering the natural environment in a particular place. And
Mm-hmm.
now that industries,
Mm-hmm.
your vehicles, your chemical industries, factories are everywhere, all around the world.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so it
It
has,
happened nowadays.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it has somehow harmed the environment. Okay,
Yes.
and not just environment of, say, suppose India or
Mm-hmm.
Delhi.
Yes.
It is happening all over the world. Okay,
Yes.
so this is what our topic is about:
Uh,
environment and climate change.
yes. Environment, climate change. Yes, ma'am. So just you have mentioned it means lots of pollution. Uh, there's many kind of pollution and I
Mhm,
think many and I think deforestation
mhm,
because people nowadays actually the human activity because of human activity uh, deforestation they do we are doing right and there's a many kind of pollution and they accept that I think uh, one more thing I forget about like
so
due
climate
to
change,
the
on the other hand, is entirely different. Yes, pollution happens, deforestation.
pollution happen deforestation.
So
Yes.
what has happened is this has led to climate change. What do you understand
Yes.
by climate? First of all,
Mhm. Climates mean, ma'am, day by day we have. I am means day by day Earth. Earth temperature are raising.
so
So
climate change in general, climate means a fixed weather of a place. See, I
yes.
come from Kashmir.
Mm-hmm.
Here, temperature never exceeds 30-32 degrees,
Yes.
35 degrees at maximum.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Delhi. In Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
it goes up about 20,
Yes.
about 40, 42, 43.
Yes. Yes.
Climate is a set weather or set climatic condition, weather conditions for a longer period of time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
And since climate determines what kind of air would you have, what kind of
Mm-hmm.
water would be available to you,
Yes.
what kind of trees would be present there, what
Mm-hmm.
kind of animals would be present there.
Yes.
So climate decides the whole
Mm-hmm.
environment of a place. Okay.
Yes.
And when we alter this, when we cause pollution,
Mm-hmm.
okay, when we cause other, a lot of times what happens, deforestation, It happens because you have to either you put the land to agricultural use or build housing complexes there.
Yes.
That is why deforestation happens. So what happens in return is that a deforestation has happened, the trees are gone, oxygen level comes down.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay? Then rains are also affected,
Yes.
soil erosion is also affected.
Mhm.
Animals present there don't have a home, and if they are wild animals, they are likely to harm the humans there.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Okay?
Absolutely.
So when you
And
alter the climate, the whole
yes,
environment
so
changes, right?
yes,
So that
that's
is
why
yeah,
that's
tell
why that's why carbon dioxide is increasing, and
increasing, yeah.
glaciers are melting nowadays. I have heard it in recently news, not now, but in before.
Mhm.
So that's the reason behind, and so it happening because of the pollution, because of the uh, lots of things, lots of industrial waste. Uh, Due to this reason, it happened. So just you have mentioned about in Kashmir nowadays is weather cool there, but it could not happen. It will not happen after 5 year, 10 year. Maybe the weather will be hot after 10 year because
Yes,
of the
yes,
climate.
absolutely,
Yes,
absolutely. And Uttarakhand disasters,
yes,
the recent Uttarakhand disaster, the
mm,
flooding of the rivers, it
yes,
signifies something. It signifies
yes,
something, and
ye-
it signifies climate change.
absolutely. Because of ocean level is raising day by day.
Glaciers are melting,
Yes,
rivers will
absolutely,
overflow. Definitely, that will happen.
absolutely.
Oceans will also overflow. A lot of islands in Maldives are submerged
Mhm,
now.
mhm.
Okay, so that is my question. Do you
Yes,
think climate change is real?
yeah, it is real, ma'am. It is
Mhm.
real. Yes,
Okay. Why? What does climate change mean to you? You've told me this, right? But
yes, I told you.
tell me
Go.
climate change uh,
Mhm.
and protection of environment. How do they go hand in hand? Why is it important to protect environment? First of all.
Bec- because of, ma'am, if we will not protect, so it will harm to human. If, in coming future, it will harm.
Mhm.
It will harm effect. So that's why it is very necessary to control the glacier,
Mhm.
and
Glacier
it is very
melting.
necessary. Yes, because of glacier are melting, and ocean are raising nowadays. So what we I think we it it is, all of this happening. So I think all of the country leaders, they you know they should have to meeting. They should have to meeting about that stuff. So then that what protocol that happen. So we have they should discuss about that matter. So then after it will control, and somehow it control nowadays, because I have read some pollution control government, but I think it should more control.
So you should say it should be more controlled. It
Yeah.
will be controlled. It okay.
Mm-hmm.
Use the will shall. Do not
Mm-hmm.
forget that. Okay.
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 Mm-hmm.
Use the helping verb.
Okay,
Always.
ma'am.
Always
Okay.
use the helping verb like is, are, was, will be. Okay. Shall
Okay, ma'am.
be.
Yes.
Okay. To indicate future. To indicate past. Past. I
Yes.
need to take care of this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me, according to you,
Mhm.
how do you think, what do you think we can do to save environment now that climate change is like real, and we can
Mhm.
see the changes? What can we do now to protect the environment and somehow control the changes, reverse the changes?
I think if we are using bike, if we are using uh, any pollution thing like bike, car, so we need to control. Uh, so that is the first, and accept this thing. I think if we a part of that, uh, like we apart of that, I think I don't have any means in that at the time I don't have means that stuff. But yeah, I think I need to control. We should control the first first transporting thing, like
Transportation.
because transportation, because of there is a carbon dioxide oxygen is increasing, and there's
Absolutely.
another gas also, nitrogen gas is also increasing, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, have you seen the impact of climate change in your surroundings?
No, no, ma'am. I
Think
haven't.
harder. Think harder. Where are you
Okay.
from? Where are you from?
I'm from Jharkhand, ma'am.
Jharkhand. Don't you
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Because in Jharkhand, there is a very strong movement of protection of the natural assets,
Mhm.
right? Why
But
do you?
I but
Uh-huh.
I have no I haven't noticed this thing, ma'am. Yeah.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay. So what I feel like, because most tribal states have been trying to protect the environment from industrialists, and that has
Mhm.
happened in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh a lot. Okay,
Yes.
mining, illegal mining,
Mhm.
depletion of natural resources, illegal mining by foreign companies, and people have
Mhm.
stood up for that. People have
Yes.
protested against it. I'm not talking about any terrorist movement, but I'm talking
Yes.
about the movement, people's movement. There are
Mhm.
organizations that work towards it and
Yes.
bring this, and civil society works in Jharkhand too.
Mhm.
I've heard about it, read
Yes.
about it.
Mhm.
So uh, also the impact of climate change uh,
Mhm.
in our surroundings, not necessarily in Jharkhand, the
Mhm.
flooding in Bihar, the
Yes,
flooding
flooding
in
in Bihar.
Uttarakhand, the
Yes, yes,
flooding in Assam, West
yes, yes.
Bengal,
Yeah,
even
because
Kerala and Maharashtra,
yes,
the
yes,
the adjoining rivers always swell up, and there is
yes,
never a protection. There's never a technique to harvest the flood waters or take care of
yes.
flood control is not there. Don't you think so?
Mhm. Yes, absolutely, ma'am. It happened, but what we can do? It I think that government and that we can't control now, ma'am. This thing because of because of that nature, I think, and because of the glacier melting day by day. So that's why it happened, because of pollution, because of lots of industrial wastage uh, through the. That's why it happened. So yeah.
Absolutely. And don't you think, particularly in tourist places like Uttarakhand and all of that,
Mhm.
people
Mhm.
are, trying to do, how do I, unethical by, unethical means they're trying to extend their businesses, building hotels on the banks of river, illegal
Yes,
construction.
yes,
Even the dam was not spared by that flood.
mhm, yes,
Dam was completely washed off,
yes,
right? So
yes, ma'am. It
things like,
happened. So I think who can control, ma'am? I think that control in hand in our government. They can control that illegal something. If some will do illegal and they will illegal something build. So I think our government, they will punish them. Yes.
Mhm. And besides this, what do you think we can do on a personal level to protect or reverse the changes?
No, ma'am. I don't have any idea.
Okay, you don't have any idea. That's fine.
No.
I would give you a cue that, change starts from home. One can carpool. You
Mhm.
understand what carpool means?
Carpool, no, ma'am. I don't.
Carpool means, uh, okay. Carpool means using someone else's vehicle, okay?
Okay.
Sharing the vehicle.
Sharing the
Once you
vehicle.
know that, your neighbor or your relative has to go your way, and
Mm-hmm.
you can easily use a single car to, you know to as
So
transportation, to move from one place to another. You don't need to
yes.
use two cars, right?
Mm-hmm.
One can carpool like that,
Yes.
called
So
carpooling, sharing the
yeah, but
car.
sharing the car, it is okay, ma'am. But we no
Mhm.
we don't do this thing now, ma'am. But we don't do, right.
Yeah, we don't. So when change begins from home, reducing the level of reducing the use of polythene in your home,
Yes,
disposing the waste correctly. So the sustainable method of waste disposal, for example,
yes.
is that natural waste should be processed at home. Those who
Mm,
have access to a little bit of land, they can make compost in their homes,
yes,
and then responsibly send the plastic, glass, or other recyclable products to recycle centers rather than
yes,
disposing them often in rivers, or your, sometimes people put them in the landfills that causes land pollution,
yes.
right? So this was a very
Absolutely.
lovely and interactive session.
Yes,
Okay, we're
ma'am.
almost coming to an end of this session, are we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I like your enthusiasm, and I'll tell you something.
Yes, ma'am. Why?
From last time, you have improved a lot.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
this does not happen very often, but
Okay.
I really see, Shahid, the difference in you. Okay,
Okay. Thank you,
more
ma'am.
engagement, less mistakes. Okay,
Okay.
there are mistakes, Shahid,
Mm-hmm.
with auxiliary verbs, use of verbs, correct form of verb, you not using helping verbs, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes,
take
ma'am.
care
Yes.
of these things. Take
Okay,
care,
ma'am.
pay
I will.
attention to what you're saying. I like the self-correction. Self-correction has come to you, which means
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you're improving by yourself. You're becoming aware of what you're saying.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Thank
there
you, ma'am.
is change, and there's enthusiasm, there's engagement in the conversation. There are less mistakes. Very good, Shahid. Keep it up. Whatever you're doing, if you're practicing, if you're reading, it's working.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
For the
and I
kind
think
word.
we'll be better in no time, right?
Yes, ma'am. Time has left, ma'am. Yes.
Go through the session document once again.